Welcome to ELT Buzz Teaching Resources. Today I'd like to show you a little bit about using your file manager. It's very simple to save files or download files and organize those files using your file manager. When you first register, you'll be taken to your file manager page. There you can add folders, organize your files, and save your files. Here I have 5 saved files. So how do you do that? Just go to Search Files, our main directory, and you can start saving the files that you want to keep, or you can download them directly. That's also an option. Make sure that you are a premium member. You can save premium files if you are just a registered member, but you won't be able to download them from the Save Files file manager. But for example, I'm interested in this file. You can take a look at it in full and what it's all about. Scroll through all the pages. And at the top, download it directly if you like it. Rate the file, of course. Thank you for that. But you can also save it to your file manager. Save to library. So when I open my file manager, I can see that file, Sometimes People, right here. And I can also click and download it from there when I want to use it. So instead of just downloading, organizing on your own drive and maybe mixing it up and losing it, here you can organize it, keep it in folders, and download and access it right from your file manager. And there you go. I can download that right there when I need it from anywhere. I don't have to be at my home computer. So enjoy using the file manager on ELT Buzz Teaching Resources, and thanks for listening. Over and out.